Welcome back. It's widely known that flood season is underway, but in this week's WeatherWise, some of the terms used to describe flooding and the warnings are lesser known. It's widely known that flooding refers to higher than normal water, typically related to snowmelt and heavy rain events here in Montana, but sometimes it can be difficult to differentiate between flood terms and what they mean. Aerial is a newer term when it comes to flooding and has prompted some questions from you viewers. An aerial flood advisory is issued for flooding that develops more gradually, that results in ponding or buildup of water in low-lying, flood-prone areas, as well as small creeks and streams. The word aerial is an adjective version of the noun area, which is an expanse of space or a region of land. An advisory is usually issued when flooding is not considered a significant threat to life or property, more of a nuisance and inconvenience. A flood watch is issued to inform the public and cooperating agencies that current or developing weather could lead to flooding. People in a watch area should check flood action plans, keep informed, and be ready to take necessary action if a warning is issued. And now to the flood warning. Whether it be flooding, severe thunderstorms, strong wind, or winter weather, a warning means that certain weather is imminent or in progress. A flood warning focuses on specific counties, communities, streams, or rivers. A flash flood warning is issued for areas likely to see rapid flooding. A river flood warning is issued when a river is forecasted to go above its designated flood stage. Keep in mind these terms as we head through flood season, as there's a long way to go yet. And now you're a little more weather-wise.